I'm making cherry banana smoothie. And I love cherries, caught the cherries on sale. And that will give me a chance to use my cherry olive picker. I've never used this before. And you will see this because I am an unboxer. So you will see this in what I'm going to call kitchen gadgets. And this is giving me the opportunity to show you how well it works. This has also is my mini blender, and this is in my playlist on the kitchen. A lot of people have their bullets are very expensive. The only problem I do see with this, because I do keep it real, is this glass. I don't know if you break this glass, would you have to just buy this whole thing, or you can get this glass as a replacement. But I am going to find that out. So what you need, of course, is some cherries. A variety size of cherries. You're also going to need a banana, regular banana, and I like to freeze my banana. When you freeze your banana, you do a smoothie. Just makes that smoothie more thick. And some milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, 1% milk, any kind of milk. So I'll move my bananas aside, leave this one on a tray because it's frozen. Oh, I did have somebody ask me, what if I do the skin of the banana? Can I eat it? Yes, you can. I wouldn't put it in a personal blender like this. I will put it in something much more sturdy, and understand it will change the texture of any smoothie if you add the skin. But yes, you can eat the skin of a banana, and it is healthy, but it is bitter and very stringy. I don't. You push that lip in, it'll open it up. When it opens it up, then you can see where you sit your cherry in. So you sit your cherry in the hole here, and you line the pusher up with it there, and then you just hit it. And it drops your pit, and it comes right out. Not much of a mess. It could go right back in a container, and it's safe for even the kids to do. They can put it right in there and just squeeze it and have cherries. Melt very easily when it's warm weather out. Plus, I like that thickness that it gives. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up my banana. I never use the end of my banana. And I'm going to get ahead and cut up my cherries that I have to do first. Add some milk. Okay, I added some cherries. Now I'm gonna add my little flavor. I love vanilla, so I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. A teaspoon or so. Add that. And if you do your flax seeds, this is a nice time to add them. Your powdered drink, this is a nice time to add that as well. Now I use this a touch of honey because I prefer using honey instead of agave, because I can't really get that where I'm at. So I need that little touch of sweetness. So I add about a teaspoon of honey, and then this way I'll get that. I'm always adding ginger to mine because it's a health issue. I am trying to get me some protein powder shakes and some turmeric, but right now I'm dealing with what I have. A couple of hits of that in there. Make sure you mix it very well. And you want to mix it well because of that skin that's on that cherry. The more cherries you add, the more cherry flavor you're going to get. The more banana you add, the more thickness that it will be. I'm going to give a recipe for a full-size blender. However, this is a mini, so it's half of the recipe. I'm going to add me nuts. So cashews would go really good with this dish as well. So I'm going to add some of that in here, and then we'll be back. going to take this now, pour it in here. You see? And then this way, it'll be nice and cold. Let me see, taste it. Yes. Cherry banana smoothie. Yummy, yummy.